As the snow begins to blanket the feeder, the seeds become hidden, waiting for a brave soul to uncover them. Enter the junco, with its keen eye for buried food, begins to uncover the seeds as if they were on the ground. Juncos are well adapted for snowy conditions, using their small, stout beaks to dig through the snow in search of seeds. The junco, with its unique double scratching technique, works efficiently to uncover the seeds buried beneath the snow. This foraging behavior is typical of juncos, who use their feet to uncover food, a skill that helps them survive harsh winter conditions. With the seeds now exposed, the sparrows take notice, eager to claim their share of the uncovered bounty. Like and follow for more.